Safer. Yo, gotta get my bread, gotta keep my head up. These are the fucking days when the gal them in them teens have the fucking AIDS. Enough youth not have degrees, but them have the grades. Picture this and try to see it with your fucking ears. These are the fucking times, yeah, when your sneakers into holy nines. Some work out on Jesus and them commit the crimes. No illiterate and still I read between the lines. Those are the fucking dudes. Claim them are your friend, I want your fucking food. Then some of them are rap white, some of them are rape white, some of them are kill white, some of them are shooters like we need a rated car on the fucking news. These are the fucking days when you can't trust police with them dirty ways. Juvenile are on the streets with the fucking case. Yo, you can't even rest in peace in your fucking grave. Every day the same shit, different gal, same dick, different floor, same spit, different drugs, same ship, same busy, different hits with different messages, reaching out to everyone in all different communities. Yeah, these are the fucking things that make a fucking DJ wanna fucking sing. Me can't believe the baby mother dash the Britney in the thing we pissing in. Baby father beat her with the thing I'm listening. These are the fucking days you have to hustle in the streets like a fucking slave. Then the boss I work the least, get the fucking raise. You know she said the leaders will step up the pace. Listen to these fucking facts. Who know have a Smith and Wesson up a fucking Glock. Cap a whistle smart, they missing when you hear it stop. Another mother ball while she suffered the loss. Welcome to these fucking streets. Chalk line, white sheet, regular receipt. The less fortunate get treated like some refugees. But don't get head up, keep your head up, stay on your feet. Right now we're at a fucking stage. This day and age is like we're locked up in a fucking cage. And me I tell you said the system need to rearrange. It's kinda strange, me want to buy a range, but the price out of my range. Watch the fucking way you move. Killers in the street always got something to prove. Watch your step, you better watch the fucking road you choose. Careful how you live your life, cause them way out to fuse. In these days at the airport, them why you take off bed, kick off Air Force. Them take where you cologne, roll on toothpaste, what them hear about. Me feel me woulda pull me fucking ear out. These are the fucking days when your officing says these are the fucking days. Yo, me can't believe say these are the fucking days. While me sing that shake, please play the fucking phrase. Gotta get my bread, gotta keep my head up. Gotta get my bread, gotta keep my head up. Gotta get my bread, gotta keep my head up. Stay focused, gotta keep your head up. Gotta keep my head up. Stay strong. Yeah, it's safer.